when you invert intervals, the two intervals must equal 9. So a second has to become a seventh, a third has to become a sixth, a fourth has to become a fifth, right? Or in a first, a unison has to become an eighth, right? Because 1 and 8 is 9. So you've got that as well. So that's your number sets: 1 and 8, 2 and 7, 3 and 6, 4 and 5. There, that's all that we have. After that, it flips: 5 and 4, 6 and 3, 7 and 2, 8 and 1. And then we're doing the same thing. And then all majors become minors, all minors become majors. Perfects become perfects. Augmenteds become diminished, diminished becomes augmenteds, right? So it's sort of like the opposite of what it is. So a major becomes the opposite of a major, which is a minor. Augmenteds become opposite of augmenteds, which is diminished. Perfects are their own weird thing. Perfects just stay perfect. So if you can remember that simple set of rules, then you can always flip intervals using that simple formula. So then if I said to you, okay, so we have an augmented fourth, what would that flip to? You could say 4 plus 5 equals 9. So it's some sort of a fifth, and it's an augmented, so it flips to a diminished. So it's a diminished fifth. Augmented fourth, diminished fifth, right? If I said, what about an augmented fifth? An augmented fifth, because that's one of those weird intervals. It's not one of the ones that we usually use. It's an enharmonic equivalent. An augmented fifth, again, the 5 would go to 4, and the augmented would go diminished. So I would say augmented fifth would go to a diminished fourth. So that would be my inversion. So as long as you follow the rules, you're fine. A diminished seventh, there's another weird one. A diminished seventh would go to some sort of a second, because 7 plus 2 equals 9, right? So a diminished would go to an augmented. So diminished seventh would go to an augmented second, right? So just follow those simple rules. Add whatever the interval is up to 9, and then just flip the modifier. Major becomes minor, minor becomes major, perfect stays the way it is, augmenteds and diminisheds flip.